Here today's topic is applications of jet transforms to difference equations. Using jet transforms can define solution of difference equations. This is the today's topic, in which the first point is just as the Laplace transform method quite effective for solving linear differential equations. Using Laplace transforms you can define solution of linear differential equations, whereas the next given point is the jet transforms are quite useful for solving linear difference equations. That is, using jet transforms you can find solution of linear difference equations. Laplace transforms are useful to define solution of linear differential equations, but jet transforms are useful to define solution of difference equations. Now, the present topic is jet transform, so that we have to discuss about working rule. Now, working procedure given as here to solve difference equations with constant coefficients by jet transforms. The first point given as here, take the jet transform of both sides of the difference equations using following formulae and given conditions. First of all, we have to consider jet transform on both sides of the given equation, and then we have to use some formulas related to jet transform. Here the jet transform formulas are defined as z of un equal to u of z, z of un plus 1. The function u shifted left side n plus 1 units. Then the formula is z of z minus u of naught. U naught also written as z of z minus u of 0. The next formula is z of un plus 2 equals to z square of u of z minus u of 0 minus u of 1 by z. Z of un plus 3 equals to z square z cube u of z minus u of 0 minus u of 1 by z minus u of 2 by z square. Next one is, here the function u shifted right side n minus k units. In this case, z of u n minus k. The above formulas all are related to left shifting rule. Here it is right shifting rule. Z of un plus minus k equals to z power minus k into u of z. These are all main useful formulas to use to solve given difference equations. After that, the next point given as here, transpose all terms without u of z to the right. Now we have to transport all terms except u of z to the right side, and then divide by the coefficient of u of z, getting u of z as a function of z. After that, here the next given point is fourth point. Express the function in terms of the jet transforms of known function and take the inverse jet transform of both sides. This gives un or u of n as a function of n, which is the desired solution. Now, after applying all formulas, we have to write known formulas of jet transform. Then we will get the function in terms of n, that is called as here desired solution of given difference equations. This is working procedure to solve given difference equations using jet transform. Now the first question given as here, using the jet transform solve un plus 2 plus 4un plus 1 plus 3un equals to 3 to the power of n, where the conditions are u naught equal to 0, u1 equal to 1. Using these two conditions, we have to define solution of given difference equations with the help of jet transform. This is the actual meaning of given data. Now here conditions are given that u naught equal to 0 also written as u of 0 equal to 0. U naught is nothing but u of 0 equal to 0. u1 equal to 1. u1 also written as u of 1 equal to 1. Now take the given equation. un plus 2 plus 4un plus 1 plus 3un equal to 3 power n. This is the given equation. According to the working procedure, apply jet transform operator on both sides of above equation, so that z of left side, z of right side. And then enter operator into the bracket. Z of first term plus z of second term, but here 4 is a constant, it is outside of the operator, plus 3 is a constant, 3 as it is, apply z operator on only un, plus that equal to z of 3 power n is similar to z of a power n formula. Here I give formula z of a power n equal to z by z minus a, where a is a real number. I mean, you can use either positive or negative number in place of a, like that. Likewise, here also z of 3 power n equal to z by z minus 3. In place of a, there is a 3. So that z of 3 power n is z by z minus 3. Here also z, according to that, z by z minus 3. After that, z of un plus 2. This is left shifting rule formula. In working rule, already they defined z of un plus 2 formula, z of un plus 1 formula, z of un also. Every formula defined in working rule. As per that working rule, here z of un plus 2 value is z square of u of z minus u of 0 minus u of 1 by z plus, and then for as it is, z of un plus 1 formula is z of u of z minus u of 0 plus z of un is 3 into u of z, right side as it is. And then we have to write given values. What are the given conditions? U of 0 is 0, u of 1 is 1. Now you substitute these two values in our step. Now at the last, z square u of z minus u of 0 given as 0 minus u of 1 given as 1 by z plus 4 into z of u of z, u of 0 is 0 plus 3 into u of z equals to z by z minus 3. After that, z square u of z, 0 as z square into first term, z square into second term, z square into last term is z square by z plus 4 into z of z into u of z, z into 0, 0 plus 3 into u of z equals to z by z minus 3. After that, here z square u of z minus 0 minus z plus 4z u of z plus 3 u of z equal to z by z minus 3. By simplifying above equation, this is the result. After that, from these three terms, here there are three terms with u of z as a multiple. From these three, take out u of z as common. The multiples are z square plus 4z plus 3. The remaining value minus z equal to z by z minus 3. According to the working procedure, just we have to define u of z by writing coefficient of u of z to the right. First, write minus z opposite side, then it will be changed as z by z minus 3 plus z. After that, u of z only equal to, now this is the factor, will be changed as likewise z by z minus 3 into z square plus 4z plus 3 plus z by z square plus 4z plus 3. U of z equals to z by z minus 3. Now factors, this is a quadratic expression, factors of this one equals to, as per factorization procedure, here I have written, I have explained here, z square plus 4z plus 3 also written as z square plus 3z plus 3. 3 ones are 3. 3z plus z is 4z. So that z as common from these two, z plus 3. Here from this 1 as common, z plus 3. Again from these two terms, again z plus 3 as common, then factor is z plus 1. In place of z square plus 4z plus 8, we can write here z plus 3 into z plus 1. By writing that, here this is the value, z by z minus 3, z plus 3, z plus 1 plus z by z plus 3, z plus 1. Now LCM is z minus 3, z plus 3, z plus 1 is LCM of these two fractions. After that, z plus z of z minus 3. Ordinary multiplication, z plus z square minus 3z. Now z square as it is, minus 3z, z is minus 2z, denominator as it is. Now here u of z, as per working procedure, u of z written as, u of z is nothing but z transform of u of n. So in place of u of z we can write z of un, z of un, z transform of un equals to z square minus 2z, z minus 3, z plus 3, z plus 1. After that, just we need u of n only. Why? Because u of n only gives us solution of given difference equations, so that you can write z operator on opposite side. Then it will be changed as z inverse of z square minus 2z by z minus 3 plus z plus 3 into z plus 1. Now here this is the solution. Un gives us desired solution by clearing inverse Z transform of this function. So that first to write exact value of Un, we have to clear inverse Z transform of this function. So that give the name for this equation as number 1. Now to get solution, first take out Z inverse of Z square minus 2Z, Z minus 3, Z plus 3, Z plus 1 separately. And the function, the present function defined completely in terms of Z, on this function Z inverse operated, first take out function only due to function defined in terms of Z. So its name can be taken as f of Z equals to f of Z, function name given as here f of Z. After that, we divide on both sides with Z. As per working rule of inverse Z transform, the first step is divide on both sides with Z. Left side term by Z, right side term by Z. After that, take out Z as common from this numerator. Then Z get cancel. F of Z by Z equals to remaining part. Now, to write corresponding Z transform formulas, we need single factor related fractions only. But here triple factors are here, so that we need partial fractions of this one only. So to resolve partial fractions of this, first it can be written as a by first factor plus b by second factor plus c by third factor. Now to get a, there is a shortcut rule. To get a, first write complete fraction except the denominator of a. Now here as per that, Z minus 2 by Z plus 3 into Z plus 1. From this denominator, what is the value of Z? Z minus 3 is a factor. Z equal to 3. So substitute Z equal to 3. By writing 3 in place of Z, this is the value 1 by 24. Next to get B. B constant B. To get B, write complete fraction except to denominator of B. Now here, what is the denominator here? Z plus 3. So that first write the function. Here I have given B equal to, this is the fraction except Z plus 3. From Z plus 3, Z value is minus 3. Z plus 3 is a factor. Z plus 3 is a factor. Z equal to minus 3. Now substitute Z equal to minus 3. By writing Z equal to minus 3 in place of Z, the value is 5 by 12. And then constant C. Now here also how to find C. To get C, write complete fraction except Z plus 1 only. Now write complete fraction. From Z plus 1, Z is minus 1. So that Z equal to minus 1. By writing Z equal to minus 1, here the value of C is 3 by 8. Now A 1 by 24, B 5 by 12, C 3 by 8. After that, now the same fraction can be written as 1 by 24 into 1 by Z minus 3 plus 5 by 12 into 1 by Z plus 3 plus 3 by 8 into 1 by Z plus 1. After that, you can write Z opposite side. Now Z by cross multiplication, the f of Z only equals to 1 by 24 Z into first fraction, Z into second fraction, Z into third fraction. Likewise here, Z by Z minus 3 plus 5 by 12 into Z by Z plus 3 plus 3 by 8 into Z by Z plus 1. Now here every term is in standard Z transform formula form. Now this is purely Z transform formula, Z by Z minus A. This is the formula of Z transform of 3 power n as per A power n formula. Z by Z plus 3 is Z transform of minus 3 whole power n. Z by Z plus 1 is a formula of Z of minus 1 whole power n. After that, original value of f of Z is Z square minus 2Z by Z plus 3, Z plus 3, Z minus 3, Z plus 1. The right part as it is. Now, actually on this, what we have to operate according to the step? Here actually, we define this one only in terms of Z transform. Now we have to apply Z inverse on both sides of last step. Here Z inverse of this one. Right side also we have to apply Z inverse right side. Z inverse of left side and Z inverse of right side. Here Z inverse of Z is Z inverse Z equal to Z power 0, that equal to 1. According to this, on right hand side, Z inverse of Z will be 1, then 3 power only is there. 5 by 12, here Z inverse of Z is 1. Now 1 into the remaining is minus 3 whole power n. Similarly, 3 by 8 into Z inverse of Z is 1. 1 into this is minus 1 whole power n. Now, the present equation defined in terms of n only. Now, from equation 1, this is equal to, from equation 1, this is the left side, left part represented by u of n. U of n only solution of given difference equation. Right side as it is a solution of difference equation. Next question given as solve yn plus 2 plus 6 yn plus 1 plus 9 yn equals to 2 to the power of n with y not equals to y1 equals to 0 using Z transforms. Here the present difference equation defined in terms of y. Previous problem defined in terms of u. The present problem defined in terms of y. Now yn is the solution of given difference equation. As per working procedure, we have to apply Z transform on both sides of given equation. Before of that, given conditions, y naught is nothing but y of 0, y1 is nothing but y of 1 equal to 0. First, given that y not equal to y1 equal to 0, from this y naught is nothing but y of 0, y1 equal to 0. Now given equation yn plus 2 plus 6 into yn plus 1 plus 9 yn equal to 2 to the power of n. As per working procedure, first Z transform on both sides. 6 into yn plus 1 plus 9 yn, Z transform of right side, Z of 2 power n. Now enter Z operator into the bracket. Z of yn plus 2, 6 is a constant, take it outside. Z transform of Z of yn plus 1 plus 9 is a constant, Z on only yn. This is Z of a power n formula form. As per that formula, Z by Z minus a, where a is 2. After that, formulas Z of yn plus 2, formula here formula is Z square, y of z minus y of 0 minus y of 1 by z. As per working procedure, this is the formula of yn plus 2 plus 6 into z of yn plus 1 is z into y of z. Instead of u, y is there, y of z minus y of 0 plus 9 into z of y of n is y of z, z by z minus 2. Now we can write given conditions. Y of 0, y of 1 both are equals to 0. Now in place of y of 0, z square as it is, y of z minus 0, this is also 0, plus 6z into y of z minus 0 plus 9 into y of z equal to z by z minus 2. After that, here z square y of z plus 6z y of z plus 9 y of z equal to z by z minus 2. From these we can take out y of z as common. Z square plus 6z plus 9 equal to z by z minus 2. After that, y of z only equals to z by z minus 2 into z square plus 6z plus 9. After that, y of z is nothing but z transform of y of n. As per working procedure, y of z equal to z transform of y of n, z by z minus 2 into, here this is a quadratic equation, no formula for this, so we have to find out factors of this quadratic expression. So that z square plus 6z plus 9 can be written as z square plus 3 3s are 9, 3z plus 9. From this z as common, z plus 3, from this 3 as common, z plus 3, z plus 3 again as common, this is z plus 3. Totally here it is equal to z plus 3 whole square. As per this z plus 3 whole square. Now y of z down, y of n only equal to, now write z transform operator to the right side, then z operator will be changed as z inverse of z by z minus 2 into z plus 3 whole square. Now here z inverse of z by z plus 2 z plus 3 whole square gives us solution of given difference equation. So that take out this one only separately. First you clear inverse z transform of this one, and that is called as solution of given difference equation. Now here we have to find z inverse of z by z minus 2 z plus 3. Here we have to define z inverse of z by z minus 2 z plus 3 whole square, inverse z transform of this one. Here the function defined in terms of z, so its name can be taken as f of z equal to z by z minus 2 z plus 3 whole square. As per procedure of inverse z transform, first divide on both sides with z. F of z by z, z by z into z minus 2 z plus 3 whole square. In here the above step divided on both sides with z. Simplification. F of z by z equals to 1 by z minus 2 z plus 3 whole square. To write corresponding formulas of z transform, here we need only single factor in each and every denominator. So that here we have to define partial fractions of this one only. So that take its name as equation 2 and take out this one only separately, find out its partial fraction. Now 1 by z minus 2 z plus 3 whole square, a by z minus 2 plus b by, here this is first degree factor but here repeated twice, so corresponding fractions can be taken as b by z plus 3, c by z plus 3 whole square. Here to define ABC, write left side numerator is 1, a into z minus 2 already is there. Out of all these remaining value is z plus 3 whole square plus b, z plus 3 is here. Now in which we need z minus 2 into z plus 3 plus c into, here already is there, so the next one is z minus 2. Now to get constant ABCs, put z equal to minus 3 on both sides of above equation. Left side is 1. This is equal to a into 0, b into 0 plus c into minus 5. So that c constant equal to minus 1 by 5. Z equal to, from this factor write z equal to 2. Left side is 1. A into 2 plus 3 whole square, 5, 25. This is 0. This is also 0. A equal to 1 by 25. After that, z equals to a small number 0. So put z equal to 0, small number on both sides of above equation, left side is 1, here z equal to 0, then it is equal to 9a. Here b into minus 2 plus 3 equal to minus 6. Here c into minus 2. Already here there are two known values. Substitute known values. 9 into 1 by 25. B is unknown. Plus c is minus 1 by 5 into minus 2. That equal to 9 by 25 minus 6b plus 2 by 5. 6b equals to 9 by 25 plus 2 by 5. This is minus 1. Okay, by simplifying this, the value of b is minus 1 by 25. Now totally 1 by z minus 2, z plus 3 whole square equal to a is 1 by 25 by z minus 2 plus b is minus 1 by 25 by z plus 3 plus minus 1 by 5 z plus 3 whole square. Okay. Now the same fraction can be written as 1 by 25 1 by z minus 2 minus 1 by 25 1 by z plus 3 minus 1 by 5 1 by z plus 3 whole square. Equation 2 implies f of z by z equal to 1 by z minus 2 1 by 25 1 by z plus 3 minus 1 by 5 1 by z plus 3 whole square. After getting partial fractions, now we can write z to the right by cross multiplication. F of z equal to 1 by 25 z into z by z into 1 is z by z minus 2 minus 1 by 25 z into this is z by z plus 3 minus 1 by 5 z by z plus 3 whole square. Here f of z, the actual value of f of z is z by z minus 2 into z plus 3 whole square 1 by 25. This is the formula of z by z minus a. As per that formula, this is z transform of 2 to the power of n. 1 by 25 minus 1 by 25. This is the formula of z by z plus a. Is the formula of z of minus 3 whole power n minus 1 by 5. But here there is a square, similar formula as per standard formula z by, here this is the standard formula, az by z minus a whole square. Here power has factor, so similar formula is az by z minus a whole square equal to z transform of n into a power n. The present term is similar to that one, az. Az is here, there is a. To write az by z minus a form, here 3 into, here also z minus a whole square. Here a is minus 3. with minus 3. Okay, this is az by z minus a whole square form. To get that one, I have multiplied both numerator and denominator by the number minus 3. Okay, here in place of a is minus 3. Now we can write z transform corresponding form. 1 by 25 z transform of 2 power n, 1 by 25 z transform of minus 3 whole power n, 1 by this is minus 15 plus now this is z transform of n into a power n, where a is minus 3 whole power n. Now the function defined in terms of z transforms. Function name from equation 1. From 1, name of this expression given as here. Actually we need z inverse of this one actually first. Z inverse z by z minus 2 into z plus 3 whole square, that equal to, here z inverse of z by z minus 2, z plus 3 whole square equal to 1 by 25. I applied to this step z inverse on both sides. Actually we need z inverse of function. So z inverse of z will be 1. 1 into this is 2 power n minus 1 by 25. Z inverse of z will be 1 into this is minus 3 power n. Similarly 1 by 15 n into minus 3 whole power n. Name from equation 1. From 1. Here its name given as yn. Yn equal to 2 to the power of n by 25 minus 3 whole to the power of n by 25, here minus, plus 1 by 15 into n into minus 3 whole power n is a solution of given difference equation.